my dear children. I welcome you to Guru Gedara Grade 7 English classroom. Today in our classroom, we have Miss Samadhi with me. Hello, Samadhi.
Hello, Miss. Hope you are just as our children doing fine there.
Of course. So, Samadhi, today we are not going to do a big thing. We are going to do an interesting activity with your children. I am not going to teach you reading today. I am not going to ask you to write anything. And also, I am not going to load you up with big grammar rules. Then what can that be? Yes, Samadhi?
Well, if it is not grammar, not writing, not listening, so it must be something to do with pronunciation. Am I correct?
Of course, we are going to do a lesson on pronunciation. My dear children, we are going to practice 2 sounds today. But now, I am not going to tell you the 2 sounds. First of all, I would like to recite a poem with you. There is a picture on the slide. What's that?
It's a cute snake.
Snake.
Oh, yes. And there are socks. There's a sock actually. Soup.
A sailboat.
Oh, yes.
Shall we read all the 4 pictures once again?
Okay, so we have a snake. And I think there's another sock on the way. So there will be socks on the screen. And soup. And we have a sailboat.
Snake, sock, soup, sailboat. What can be the title of the poem? It's Silly Snake. We are going to read or we are going to recite the poem on Silly Snake. Silly snake, sing your very best. Sing about the things you know that start with letter S. Stinky socks, soapy soup, sailboats in the snow. Sorry, but I have to stop. That's all the stuff I know. Now in the poem we have 2 stanzas. In the first stanza, the poet is talking to the snake. Silly snake, sing your very best. Sing about the things you know that start with letter S. Samadhi, here the poet is making a request to the snake.
Oh,
What
yes.
is that?
Well, the poet is asking the snake to sing about things starts with the letter S.
Yes, in the second stanza, not the poet, but the silly snake is speaking. And what are the words or the phrases that comes with letter S?
Well, there are a lot of S letters on the screen. So, shall I start from the very beginning?
No, can you
Second
tell?
stanza.
Yes.
Okay, sure. So, we have stinky, socks, and soapy, soup, sailboats, and snow, sorry, stop, that's, and stuff.
And our silly snake knows only 3 phrases that are starting with S. Stinky socks, soapy soup, sailboats in the snow, right? And he says sorry. Why? Because he knows only those 3 phrases. And those are the only 3 words or phrases he knows from letter S. Now children, the letter S is highlighted in this. So children, can you guess the first sound that we are going to teach today? Samadhi?
Well,
How? Yes.
The letter S is there.
Yeah.
So, the sound must be S.
Yes. Our first task today is to pronounce S sound well. Right, children? Before we move to that, we'll try some questions. Let's fill in the blanks. The title of the poem is?
The title of the poem is Silly Snake.
Yes. Silly blank is asked to blank its very breast. Silly
Snake
is asked to
will sing.
sing its very best. Silly snake is to sing about the things that start with S. Right. Stinky,
Socks,
soapy,
soup.
and sailboats are the things that the snake knows. Fine, children. You learnt a beautiful poem which took place between the poet and the snake. We'll start our lesson. We are going to look at some words which are starting with S sound. Samadhi, what are the words that start with S?
Well, you know, my name starts with S sound.
Yes,
And apart
actually.
from that, we have the sun,
Yes,
and we have two suns, S-U-N sun and S-O-N sun. And we have soup, school. Well, is that enough, miss?
yes, right. We'll move to the slide. We have sun, snack, school, soap, sea. Now children, I'll ask Miss Samadhi to read the word list and you too can join with her.
Okay, children, we'll do this together. So we have sun, snack, school, soap, and sea.
Right, all these words start with S sound. Fine. We have a small activity. You have to look at the picture and say the word. Look and say. This picture shows
A sea,
sea,
and we have seat, a seat.
seat. Seems to be a car seat.
Yes.
What is this? This is what we get after when we burn something. Black in color. That's
Oh, suit.
soot. Yes. A small child on
That's a scooter.
scooter. See, seat, suit, scooter. Fine. Speed is another word that starts with S. Smart, bus, and salad. Now you see children, in some of the words, the letter S is at the beginning and it can occur anywhere in the word, in the middle or at the end, as we see in the word bus. We'll read a list of words that start with S sound first. See, seat, sip, sell, said, soap, saw, suit, school, smart, smile, small. Now children, on this list, all the words start with S sound. I would like to draw your attention to the last 4 words of the list. They are school, smart, smile and small. Now children, we Sri Lankans sometimes can't pronounce this S sound at the beginning properly. You know, now some children and even the adults, they can't pronounce this school properly. They tend to say is school. That is a mistake, children. If you have that problem, right, then you can practice this well. You can write a list of words like this and try to avoid that problem. It should be school, smart, smile and small. Not school, not smart, not smile, not small. Those words should be school, smart, smile and small. Right. We'll invite Miss Samadhi to read the next list. There, the sir sound occurs at the end of the word.
So this time our students must put some emphasis at the last S sound. So here we go. His, miss, boss, bus, has, bliss, words, rose, nose, goose, mass, boats.
Right. I think you read the words with us, right? And try to practice pronouncing sir sound well. Now we have come to the end of sir sound and I promise to teach 2 sounds with you today. Miss Samadhi, there is a small clip going on. Look at that and tell me the second sound that we are going to discuss with our children today.
Well, as I can see, the girl is saying shh, keeping her finger on her mouth.
Yeah.
So the sounds must be sh. Am I correct?
Sh. Yes, sh. We very often do this at school. When you see the principal walking around the school, you take your pointer to the mouth and makes this sound. What is the sound there, children? It's sh. Sound sh. Sir, her together we form the sound sh. So the second sound that we are going to learn today is sh. Sh. What are the words that we have sh? Samadhi, can you give us some examples?
Well, now that you're asking me, we have shoes.
Yes,
And how about sheep?
of course, right. Now, Miss Samadhi came with 2 examples. We'll go to the slide to see. Shell, crash, shop, brush, shin, fish. I invite my friend to read the words once again.
Sure. So we have, starting from our right side, we have crash. The plane has crashed. And we have shop. Nice. Fish. Shin. Brush. And finally we have shell.
Right. Now, even this, even with sh sound, sometimes our children feel it's difficult to pronounce this. Sh is also a problem in our society, right? So, hereafter, children, you have to pronounce this sound well, right? Sh. It is not s. We don't say cell. Cell gives another meaning. We don't say plane crash. It should be plane crash, right? Now, we both are trying to make you practice on sh, pronouncing sh. Get together with us, children. There's a picture. Samadhi, what can you see there?
Well, there are a bunch of boys, like they are trying to help someone, and I can see a plane on the sea as well.
Yeah, there is a crash, plane crash. Right now, these boys have gone to watch the plane crash. Now, Samadhi, when they go to the sea beach, what else will they see other than the plane crash?
Well, as they are already near the sea, they can see the shells,
Of course,
and they are on the seashore,
yeah.
and I guess those are the words. There can be
Will
more.
they find fish in the sea?
Oh yes, they will.
Yes.
Obviously, they are going to do that.
We'll read a paragraph about their findings. Shavendra went to the seashore to see a plane crash. He saw some fish in the sea and some seashells on the shore. He picked up the seashells, brushed them well, and sold them at a shop close by. Right, children? Now, Samadhi will read this once again.
Okay, we'll do this together, children. So, Shavendra went to the seashore to see a plane crash. He saw some fish in the sea and some seashells on the shore. He picked up the seashells, brushed them well, and sold them at a shop close by.
Right. What is the name of the boy mentioned in the passage, Samadhi?
It's Shavendra.
Yes, children. It is Shavendra. You have to pronounce well. Right. What did they find in the sea beach?
Well, they saw a plane crash
Yes.
and they saw fish in the sea and seashells on the shore.
Right. Right, children. We'll move to a small activity based on this. Shavendra went to the blank to see the plane blank and he saw some blank. He picked up the seashells blank, them well and sold them at a blank close by. Shavendra went to the
Seashore,
seashore to see the plane
crash.
and he saw some.
Well, he saw some seashells,
He picked up the seashells
brushed them
well and sold them at a
at a shop close by.
fine. Miss Samadhi, can you read it once again for our children to listen?
Oh, sure. So, Shavendra went to the seashore to see the plane crash and he saw some seashells. He picked up the seashells, brushed them well and sold them at a shop close by.
Right. Okay.
So, I'm pretty sure you are joining us with the lesson today. If you want to re-watch it or if you miss the lesson, you can always watch it in our YouTube channel, Channel NIE. And thank you for joining with the lesson today with me, Miss Latika.
Yes.
And-
Thank you for being with us, children.
Oh.
Hope to meet you soon with another interesting lesson.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.